Welcome to Finance Gyan Plus YouTube channel. Today I have brought another problem related with break-even point. Now let's solve this problem. Let's see the problem here. So this is a problem related with break-even point. So here Greenland, where company manufactures mountain climbing shoes, the material cost is rupees 10 and 94 paisa per pair, and the labor cost is rupees 32 per pair. The shoe sells for rupees 95 per pair. Last year, production was 1,40,000 pairs. Fixed costs were rupees 8 lakh. So, what is the variable cost per pair? What were total production cost? What is the contribution margin per pair? What is the accounting break-even point? So, this is the question, and some informations are given and some are asked here. So, let's solve it. Solution. So for solving this problem, let's first start what is given here. So here given here material cost. Material cost is given here rupees 10 and 94 paisa per pair. Labor cost is given here. Labor cost rupees 32 per pair. Selling price per unit is given here. Selling price per pair or per unit. Selling price per unit, that is rupees 95 per pair. Production units is given here. Production unit it is given here 1,40,000 pairs. And fixed cost is given here. Fixed cost of production of 1,40,000 pairs. Fixed cost, that is rupees 8 lakh. So these are the information given, and from using this information you have to find the variable cost per pair, total production cost, total contribution margin per pair, and the accounting break-even point. So by seeing the information, let's find each and every items here. So now here solution for A, calculation of, I am doing this directly without writing question marks for this question asked. Directly I am finding the values here. So given informations are here. Now let's find the values which have been asked here. Calculation of variable cost per pair. Variable cost per pair or per unit. So variable cost per pair equal to material cost plus labor cost. Material cost per unit per pair plus labor cost per pair. So material cost, labor cost, this value change. To the unit of production. As the variable cost you have to find those costs which change with the unit production. Okay, so here material cost and labor cost are given. If overhead cost are given, if electricity costs are given, other administrative costs are also given, which change according to the unit of production. Such costs should be added in variable cost per unit. Okay, so now here material cost is your rupees 10.94 per pair plus rupees 32, that is your rupees 42 and 94 paisa. This is the variable cost per unit. Now second, total production cost. So now calculation of total production cost. So here total production cost is the sum of variable cost and fixed cost. If you know the variable cost and fixed cost, then you can find the total production cost. So total production cost is equal to variable cost, total variable cost plus fixed cost. So here variable cost per unit is also given here. Now we have found the variable cost per unit here, and number of production unit also given. So you can now use formula variable cost per unit into quantity produced plus fixed cost, or you can write here variable cost per unit, that is your 42.94 per pair, and quantity produced is 1,40,000 plus fixed cost is 8 lakh. So now total, what will be the value of total production cost? It's rupees 68 lakh 11,600. So this is the total production cost. Now after finding total production cost, now you have to find contribution margin per pair. So now see calculation of contribution margin per unit, CMPU. So contribution margin per unit equal to selling price per unit. Selling price here I got it below. CMPU, contribution margin per unit, equal to selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. So that will be your selling price per unit. You are given in the question here 95 minus variable cost per unit 42.94. So that is your 52.06. So this is your contribution margin per unit for producing one pair of shoes. Now the last one you have to find is accounting break-even point. The calculation of accounting break-even point, BEP, accounting break-even point, operating break-even point, it means same thing here. So here now break-even point, accounting break-even point, BEP, equal to fixed cost upon selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. So here fixed cost is rupees 8 lakh, selling price per unit, or you can write here contribution margin per unit also, you can write here, but let's write the value of selling price per unit. Selling price per unit is 95 and variable cost per unit is 42.94. so your break-even point 8 lakh divided by that is your 15,367 units. So this is your break-even point. At this break-even point there is neither profit nor loss. So in this way you have to solve this problem. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.